India is a land of diversity where various religions and traditions are kneaded together so perfectly, making it one of the most beautiful amalgamations of various cultural identities. Amid all the faiths mixing with one another, Sufism is one of the most important parts of Indian culture that promotes love, harmony and humanity. So today we take you to the shrine of Sayyid Sultan Muinuddin Shah Qadri, which has been serving as a symbol of religious harmony for years.
Apart from being a rich reservoir of minerals and natural resources, the Deccan region has also acted as a place where Sufism has flourished in its true spirit. The entire region is abundant with shrines of Sufi saints that not only propagated the teachings of these great saints but also play a major role in bringing together people of different castes and religions. One such shrine is that of Sayyid Sultan Muinuddin Shah Qadri, which is thronged by people of all faiths, especially during the annual Urs of the Saint.
सब लोग आते हैं यहाँ के उर्स के मौक़ों पर जितने भी हिंदू मुस्लिम वगैरह जो भी लोग हैं यहाँ के और बाहर के जो भी लोग हैं ज़ायरीन के लिए आने का कोई ये नहीं है, आते हैं बिला मज़हब व मिल्लत आते हैं.
Well known in the region for his miracles and his devotion towards Allah, the saint is believed to be born in the year 1083 AH according to the Islamic calendar in Iraq. He came to India during Shah Jahan's reign and steadily started gaining popularity for his noble deeds. It is said that the saint had 1,000 acres of land in his possession and always donated land to people in need. Saint throughout his life worked for the betterment of the society, and it is believed that nobody returns empty-handed from his dargah.
आवाम को ये बताते थे, ख़ानदान को ये बताते थे कि आप जो है दुनिया से रग़बत बहुत कम रखना, जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना रखना. तो हज़रत को अपने इनाम भी मिला, मगर कभी इनाम की ज़मीनों की वग़ैरह कोई परवाह नहीं करते थे. सैयद पाशा शाह क़ादरी कम से कम 1000 एकड़ ज़मीन पर काश्त वग़ैरह भी किए उन्होंने, और जो भी जिसको भी तकलीफ़मंद थी या ज़रूरतमंद थे उन लोगों को बसाते गए.
Since ages, Sufi saints like Sayyid Sultan Muinuddin Shah Qadri have propagated the message of spiritualism and harmony in our country, and their teachings are still playing a significant role in strengthening the thread of secularism.